In this video, I'm going to show you how to import data from Excel in Salesforce. So for example, all we need to do is go to contact. So for example, we'll export contact data from Excel. Make sure that your file is set to CSV. So once you've clicked on contacts, all you need to do is click on import. And here you will upload contacts using a CSV file. So click on that and click on next and upload the file. So notice that my contact or my file is set to CSV file right here. So upload the CSV file that you have from Excel and just click on open and click on next. Now make sure to match your fields. So for example, the fields on my Excel are on the left side and this is the Salesforce field. So there is a missing field for date of birth. Let's just set it to that's fine. So we have birth date right here and just click on start import and make sure to review before importing, because if it isn't matched, you can only access the contacts created from the import. So just click on continue import, and once the loading is done, it will automatically import that data. And that's about it. That's how to import data from Excel in Salesforce. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.